All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. I would read here. I want you to click on the subscribe button. Okay, also click on the notification bell so you get all my important updates and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the hottest money makers on the market in direct mail. Go to cashcowprogram.com right here, cashcowprogram.com. This is one of the sales letters that I have for the Mega Monster and the All Your Money postcard and flyers. That's correct. When you get started with me, you get the postcard and the flyer. And I'm going to show you the reveal for that and how I put everything together. Okay, this is an awesome sales letter. This is the beginning. Look at the craftsmanship and everything of this. Can you imagine getting this colored uh, sales letter? And on the back of it, I have the postcard, and they could select whichever one that they want. Right here is where you send the person, put the label for the person name. Right up here is where the stamp can go. It is folded in half. Okay, this is going into the letter, explaining everything about the business. Here's my name. Your name will go here. Okay, your phone number will go here. And it's basically going into the postcard and the flyers. Imagine making $150,000 in 1 year. People, it can be done easily with the Mega Monster or the All Your Money postcard and flyer. Okay, just 10 sales at $1,000. Okay, let's say just 500 postcards or flyers are sent out. That's $10,000 and 5 books of stamps. That's right, you get 5 books of stamps with each order. I want you to imagine, okay, 10 sales and somebody get the $2,000 postcard or flyer. That's 20,000 right there, people. All right. Also, 10 sales at the $3,000 level, that's $30,000. Okay, here's some of the things that you're going to get with that. You're going to get a 3-day, 2-night trip or 8-day, 7-night trip to places you want to go. It's taking care of the hotel accommodation. $1,000 in grocery coupon of your choice. $1,000 in fast food restaurants of your choice. All by this flyer. I added a QR code to this particular flyer. If you have a website, I will add your QR code to that, and you keep 100% of the profits. Take a look at this beautiful sales letter, people. Look at that. Okay. Now what I'm going to show you is what the postcard look like. I'm showing you the front and the back. Now, this is the front of one of the postcards. We have 4 different postcards that you could choose from. Okay, look at this. There you go. QR code. If you have a website, we can put one together, get that to you. Remember, 500, 1,000, 1,500, or $3,000 cash payment. You keep all the money. This is a giant 8x9 postcard. Okay, and here's the back of that particular postcard. Tired of MMM? Mailing this postcard work. You pick your starting pack. And on the back of the flyer, post and flyers, I'm going to show you the flyer in a second. Look right here. Now this is for the Mega Monster. On the back of the All Your Money, it'll have that there. Look here, 1,000 buyer leads. And I went into the grocery coupons and what you get from that. Here is a $200 admin fee at the $1,000 level. At the $2,000 level, it's a $350 admin fee. At the $3,000 level, it's $450 admin fee. All right. Look, clear instructions. Clear instructions on what to do when they get this giant postcard. Okay, send 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 right here. Okay, here's my number here. Okay, and you include your admin fee, and what I'll do is I'll be sending it in. No checks. Okay, U.S. Postal Money Orders, or cash. Go to cashcowprogram.com. If this 500 to 3,000 is above your budget, I have over 30 money-making postcards there for you to choose from. Okay. Now this is the all your money flyer. Okay. This is the all your money flyer. When you get started, you get the flyer and the postcard. It starts at 500, 1,000, and 1,500. Again, you keep all the money. Remember, I showed you what you get, the grocery coupons and everything. That's what this is showing, and it's showing for the all your money at the 500 level, it's $150 for the admin fee. At the $1,000, it's $250. At the 1,500, it's $350. This is for the all your money flyer. Look at the craftsmanship, people. Clear instructions on what to do. All right. Now this is the Mega Monster. All right. Mega Monster. 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000. Look at this, people. Look how beautiful this is crossed. Look at the Frankenstein monster. Look at him. He's a mega. He's a big one. And I'm telling you, people, this works. Phone number is here. Again, this is the sales letter that goes with all of that. Okay? That sales letter is this portion here. Okay? Along with the postcard and the flyer is on the back of that particular sales letter. See, so some people just send the postcard, which would be what you see here. All right. And again, this is the back of that postcard. What I did was I combined this postcard and the sales letter together. And you just fold it in half, put your stamp here, your lead go here, and I got some little stickies that you put on each side of here. So when they open it up, guess what they're gonna see? You got it, your postcard that you would be sending anyway. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. You have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. Go to cashcowprogram.com, www.cashcowprogram.com. You can see this flyer here and the postcards here. Give me a call, 832-338-5622. That's 832-338-5622. Let's get started. Let's get you mailing, and let's get some mailbox money and stamps coming to you. Okay? Hope you have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. God bless.